How to hide following list on Instagram without private account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged in to your account on Instagram application. So here what you simply need to do, if you do not want to show your following list on Instagram, what you can simply do is tap on your profile, and here if you do not have a private account and you do not want to private your account as well, but you want to hide the following list, what you can simply do is tap on the magnifying glass icon and search for the particular account over here. So if I search for a particular profile over here, then what you can simply do is tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner and simply block that person. So when you block some particular account or profile, then they'll not be able to see your following list as well. So that's the only possible way to hide your following list without keeping your account private. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.